project, we will discuss immigrations in the country of Ecuador and taking into consideration the emigrations and immigrations of citizens, how this affects the country in form, monarchy and culture, and what we can to do to solve this problem. Ecuador has, according to the last data published by the UN, 385,000 immigrants, which is 2% of the population of Ecuador, the majority of Venezuela and Colombian nationality. How does immigration affect youth? Mostly economically, since many people take jobs away from Ecuadorian citizens by offering them less than the basic wage. How does immigration benefit youth? The only benefit is the same immigrants themselves invest in Ecuador.
All for the gram. Bitches love the gram.
Oh wait, shit.
Emigrations. Ecuador has, according to the latest data published by the UN, 1,002,000 emigrants, which is 6% Ecuador population. Reasons for emigrations. The economic crisis that the country has been going through for several decades. The lack for employment, the dreams of achieving a better standard of living, and the high level of corruption that has been present for several generations, misuse of existing resources, administrative incapacity of lack for community and the part those in power. How does emigrations affect youth? The development of children who are left behind by their migrant parents undergoes drastic change. They feel effectively forgotten. Conclusion. In my opinion, the country can solve this by training to use its natural resources to generate jobs and housing. We must also make a clear point that education of Ecuadorian children is fundamental for the future.
Dance to the